Let him go. That will only prove to you that he will end up cheating on you eventually.
Come on, Mama. You shouldn't have said that to him. Let him marry her first.
Okay. She should marry him first. So he will end up cheating on her. Where? Then she will come back here crying. It's better she cries now than later.
Mama, I am not happy. Why would you do this? Why would you do this? How can I suffer for someone that at the end of the day he will not marry me? How?
What do you want to do? You want to run after him? Go and marry him. But let me warn you, don't come back here crying.
Mama, I need to go and see Onyeka. I need to search for him. I need to see him so I can settle this. I need to see him.
So me, I want to get ready to go and see UGOCHUKWU's husband. As you're going to see Onyeka, let me go and visit her husband.
Please, why are you attacking me this way this hot afternoon? What have I done wrong to you?
I beg, come off my face. Come off my face. You know be better person. You know everything. You call yourself my friend. Wetin go make you give that man your number? Wetin make you give him your number?
Oh, that. Nneka, please help me judge this. The man asked for my number and I gave it to him innocently.
Wetin go make you give him?
Why would I give him my number?
You know be better person. You know be better person at all. You know everything. You carry your number, go give him. Wetin there for your mind?
Ego, see, there is nothing wrong in what you did.
My sister.
What you did was the right thing. Just leave this one here, let's be going.
I beg you! Shut up your mouth! See, if you talk anything again, if I slap you one slap, your eardrum go receive a lot.
You know fit. Here I no be hospital. If you want fight, I go tear you for here. Here I no be hospital.
I won't fight! You won't fight!
No.
Make I give you!
Don't mind her. I am begging in the name of the Lord. Two people cannot be mad at the same time.
Yeah? You say? Yes. You the Chris? You the mad? Something they worry you for head? You said two people not the mad at the same time. Now me you won't say I the mad. You won't follow this guy insult me, Abi? You won't follow this guy insult me? What make I give you? If I give you a uppercut, you go look for your life, you know go see him. Something they worry you for head. See, make I tell you. From today henceforth, I'm not your friend. They in your space. Make I deal for my own space, JJ. I don't want anything to do with you again. You know be better person. As for that idiot where you give your number, that idiot, I swear to God, when I get to the office, I go use injection, finish in life. You see now? No problem.
Let us go. Forget
But I do to her that she will hit me like that.
She's a backing dog. Let us just go. Let her stay on her own.
Cancel.
Let her go.
No. What did I do to cancel that she will hit me?
She's just a backing dog.
Cancel.
She's a backing dog. It's okay.
It's you. Hey! Why would she do a thing like that? Has she forgotten that you are her late husband's only surviving brother? One.
Look, leave her. I'm going to deal with them. Yes, I will deal with them. Just because the son made some little money.
Change.
So they are raising their shoulder. Look, if I see her legs on that land again, you'll see what I will do.
I trust you.
In fact, that land is now yours.
Is you?
I'm giving it to you. Wow.
The land?
Yes, sir.
You're giving me that land?
We.
Richard!
It's yours.
Richard!
It's yours.
Thank you. You are very sweet. In fact, I'm happy that you're here. It's just that there's something I wanted to discuss with you.
You are my love. Anything you want to say, go ahead and say. Is it because of the problem you have with Geraldine?
God forbid. I've sorted that one out.
Then spill it out. What is it, more and more? Tell me.
Jay, it's about my younger sister's admission. She passed her jam, but my mom don't have money to pay her school fees. And you know me now. You have been the one sustaining me and my children. Please, Iche, I need you.
No. That means you don't know me. Look, when I was working with the local government and they sent me to Cote d'Ivoire, and when I was there, they know me to be a philanthropist. I release. Once the money is there, I give. Don't worry, I'll sort it out.
Iche,
I will sort it out.
You say you will sort it out.
Yes, we.
Iche, meaning you will pay the school fees.
We. Anything for my mother-in-law. Thank you. No problem. Just mention it again.
So you're sweet.
Oh no.
Let's go inside. I know how you like it.
You like it?
You know that's the only thing I can offer. These people, they find my trouble for this village, oh. They find my trouble, oh. Mama, wetin do you for eye? Why your eye dey red?
Ekemma.
Ekemma do wetin?
Ekemma fought me.
Na lie. Na lie. Ekemma, Letu Zube's wife.
Exactly. You know that's our land. I had warned her severally. Don't enter that land again. Stop farming on that land. I met her there again today. Before I could say anything, Ekemma started fighting.
Hey! Mama, wait.
Ekemma fought me.
Oh, Mama, wait. I need to understand something before I kill somebody. You won't tell me, say, Ekemma get mind, carry her hand, touch you for body?
Ekemma fought me. Make sure you beat her well, so that she will know I have a daughter that is strong. That I am not strong does not mean that I don't have a daughter that is strong. Beat her very well. Make sure you beat her. Make sure you beat her. Make sure you beat her.
I will not take such from her next time. I will not take it. Besides, I'm not the one that asked her not to marry on time.
I thought we'd discuss this now. Let it go. Biko, do you know sometimes I feel for this girl? I feel for her. I know she desperately needs a man in her life. But with the way she's going, she'll keep meeting wrong men.
I wonder.
I've told her that.
But wait, that girl that we are always seeing with Oga Kingsley, is she his sister or his wife to be?
Kena John, people that I saw kissing with my 2 eyes. Fiancé, that's what she is. They are seriously getting married. Yes.
Then why was he now asking you, are you married, are you engaged? What's up with all that? Why was he asking you?
I don't know, my sister. Was it not the same question he was asking Kamso that made her feel, oh, he has interest in her? That's meant for you. Hello? Yeah, who is this? Hey, Oga Kingsley. How are you, sir? How is your woman? Hey, I'm sorry, my regards to her. I've closed. But yes, I'll be there tomorrow. My Facebook name. Okay, it's Ego Maduka. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Facebook name, what? What does he want to say? Facebook name?
I don't know. I do not know, my sister. I will know where he's going to.
Akuya?
Where?
Your mother, is she not back from the Omugo? It's almost 1 month though.
My mother is enjoying herself in the city. She's doing 3 months there. So she's not coming back anytime soon.
Yeah. Your younger sister is lucky to have married a very rich man.
Is that not what everybody is praying for? Is that not what you're praying for?
Sister, that is what I'm praying for. Go and bring food for me, I beg. I want to eat. I'm hungry. Go inside and bring food for me.
Are we not just coming back together from work now? Where did you see me make the food?
Go inside and get me something.
Then you have to wait now. Let me do something.
I'll wait.
Before something. You say what? Something that worry for head. You the man. When did make you touch my mama? My mama and your mates.
You slapped me.
You won't collect another one. You won't collect another bad one. Something that worry you.
Did you come to fight me in my own husband's house?
Which husband? The husband where you kill. Say make I warn you for the very last time, Any day when I see this your two left leg for that land again, I will use injection. Finish your life. I will show you fight. Yeah, show me. I will show you. Show me fight.
What is happening here? Wait, what is happening here? Leave me alone. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list in this community. Leave.
Wait till they see. Wait till my eye they see so. So now you, Now you they give this one moral,
God punish you.
When they make her to talk to my mama anyhow, God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
Sacrilege.
Leave now.
Stop. Oh, I don't go. What you go do? I don't go.
Leave here now.
I go do how I expose you. No problem. You see what What you want to do? What do you want to do?
No problem. Just wait for me.
Hey.
Wait for me. You will hear from me very soon.
Hey.
You will hear from me very soon.
This is one that they do, Now this is one that they do.
Hey.
No problem.
Who is it asking to come out?
Why will they leave her to don't fight you like that?
Leave her to do what? Look at you.
It's okay.
You can't even wear your clothes. Who asked you to come out?
It's okay now.
Just leave me. Don't touch me again.
Hey.
Look at the way you just disgrace.
Mon amour.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for
I
action?
am ready.
Hey.
I am
Are
ready.
you ready for action?
I am ready.
Hey!
I
Today
am
we are
ready.
going to give him either SmackDown or what? Wrestling. WrestleMania.
Want to
See,
finish that guy.
hide your stick so he will not see us. Hide your stick. We're going to take him unaware. Hide your stick. Unaware motive.
Confirm.
Sit.
I must remove it from his name.
That ugly boy wants to challenge us, the champions of this village. Okay now. Hey, stop it. Stop there, are you mad?
Hold it. Hold it.
I told you that this fight has not ended.
Yes, now. Wow.
This is part 2. We are going to kill you here, or in fact, you cannot kill us. We are going to kill you here, or what? Bury you alive.
We must distinguish
Choose
your
one.
face.
Choose
Yeah.
one. Either we'll kill you or we'll bury you alive. Choose one now.
Choose one. No. I thought both of you have died. Or do you resurrect?
Oh, you're still talking.
Okay, now that you have resurrected, both of you should choose who dies first.
You're still talking, Abi?
You are still talking.
Are you ready? Mike.
I am ready.
Mike.
Who dies first?
Mike Taxon.
Huh?
You are
Who
Mike
dies
Taxon.
first? I am ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
To attack.
Yes, sir.
Attack.
Hey, come here.
Come here.
Come
Waiting be that nonsense where you talk now, because I hear him.
Chikamsi, I wasn't talking to you.
Now me you they talk to. I hear him. But I won't make you tell me to my face, say waiting you talk. Talk him again.
Chikamsi, please, it's okay.
Okay, waiting. Make she talk him, you should be woman.
Wait, Chikamsi. And if I don't say it, what will you do?
What will you do, you village nurse?
I'll be village. Yes, you are.
I'll be village.
Yes!
No problem. If I be village nurse, your papa na village she goat. Your mama, village she goat. You, she goat plus a shower. What thing you do for school? It is that we don't know, and we not get time to talk to you. But everybody, I tell you, everybody for this village, I go tell them what your papa do. Your papa go kill Zube, make him for taking wife. Yeah? It is that we don't know. Woo! All of us don't find that. You not see them? Birds of the same feathers. Now they fly together. Woo! 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 You don't see your life?
What's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of what? Shut up your mouth to the crate and they talk, something worry you for head. Something that worry you.
Chikamsi, do you know the person that is mad here? The person that is mad is you!
Eh? You're very crazy and you're very shameless. And I repeat, you're a shameless relationship.
Put on me, Messi, Konyala. Put on me, Messi, Konyala. Isi mi fe mwe wapaka. na-emenu ya o iyele gịnị na-emesi ụmụ nwanyị
Mon amour, s'il vous plaît. This thing.
Leave me alone now. I said the feeling is no longer there. Kamso has succeeded in spoiling my day. I'm no longer interested. See, the only thing that matters to me now is my sister's school fees. Just go and dress up, go home and bring the money for me.
Calm down now, calm down. I told you I'm going to deal with her. Please, s'il vous plaît, mon amour, please. Look, as for the school fees of your sister, I told you I will take care of it.
The feelings is no longer there now. When you were eating banana inside, I want you to stop eating that banana, but you kept eating it. Now you're disturbing me. Maybe because you're seeing my body. Let me just cover it for you. What is this now? You can't control yourself. Are you a dog?
Wait, you know the combination of banana and granite is very good. And I ate a lot of the granite too. That's what it's worth.
Oh, just leave me alone. I'm no longer interested. Leave me now.
Leave me. Please now.
You want to rape me? Chimo.
Mon amour.
What kind of problem is this? What's about doing this to us? Go do so good hand bikonu. Sister, I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry. Oh. Hey, Oyin. I know you will be hungry. Hey, please calm down and see. Let me go and check Papa room if I will see anyone.
They will see fights.
But I can't.
Let them wait.
But what is it? Hey! No, brother. Hey!
Emeka.
Brother, no.
Is he Mike? I know Ugonna. I will kill them today.
No, brother, no. Brother, don't go anywhere. You may kill someone. Hey, Wayo, please calm down. Brother, don't fight. Please.
If not that both of you are holding me, I would have done something.
Papa has refused to give us money to cook. We are going to fight.
You mean there's no food?
Nebe, he didn't. Papa did not even give us couple.
And you are very hungry.
Very, very.
What are they gonna do? Hey! Who knows the condition of your child now? The hunger will be knocking him or her very well now. It's even better that you are hungry. You especially. You especially.
What I know is that I'm very, very hungry.
You should be hungry. So let me know if that baby inside you hunger can be. It's not a hunger clinic here. Let it die. In your planners. In fact, don't worry, I know what. Let me go to you.
Tita, I don't know what possessed me. Please, you have to help me talk to Uzo. He's not taking my calls and he's not even replying to my messages.
Don't worry. I'm on my way to the village. When I get to the village, I will talk to him. I promise.
Are you sure you will forgive me?
Evelyn, you and Ozona love each other so much. He will forgive you. Don't worry, okay?
Please, can I go with you to see him? Don't worry, I'll wait outside the gate until he asks me to come in.
No. There won't be need for that, okay? Don't worry, once I'm done with him, I'll call you.
Shita, I insist, please.
No. I'll call you once I'm done with him, alright?
Okay, I'll be expecting your call.
Just take care.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Brother, where did you get all this plenty money from?
Ask no question.
Is it Papa's room?
You don't need to ask. Oh yeah, take this money. Take it. Go inside the house. Use pen and paper. Write down all the things that we need in this house. Everything that we need in this house. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, neighbor.
Sister, what is it?
Your boss.
Ijoma, why is your face like that?
Sister, what is it?
Okay.
Kamsu slapped me.
Hey!
Kamsu.
Why did she slap you?
Nothing, no. Brother, nothing, no. Me, I was just walking on the road with my friend Rose. We were just going, talking about life and school, everything. I just said Nurse Eliza. Only. And Kamsu slapped me, but trust me now, I dig it with her. I beat her. I beat her mercilessly. But you know why my face is like this?
Why?
Brother, she said Papa is a he-goat. She said Papa is a he-goat. She said you are a he-goat. She said my sisters are she-goats.
Now what have she-goats?
I'm telling you. I don't know that is very many months. She said Papa that is resting in peace is a she-goat.
Hey, my own mother.
That was the smallest one,
Do you know what she said? She said Papa killed Dede in Zube and took his wife. Hey!
Chimo!
So Papa went to Chelu.
Chelu. Where did she get that from?
Are you asking me?
For her to say this thing, that means this will be a rumor that has been going on in this village. In that case, Papa has questions to answer us when he comes back.
Kill.
Eh? Papa, when will Papa come back? Papa will ask us a question because Papa is causing us problem in this village, in this house. Let me tell you, for her to say this thing is a rumor. It's a gossip already.
Lisa, we'll have to teach her.
So she called me he-goat.
Brother, you said you are the biggest he-goat in Nigeria.
That means I'm a well-said.
But we will deal with that girl. You have to deal with that. In fact, I will escort you to go and deal with that.
Hey, people say Mama is a she-goat. Mama that is resting in peace. I mean, in pieces. I don't know. But Mama that is dead, she said Mama is a she-goat.
No wonder Ndoka supported her.
Mama, I see them today with my two koro eye. Hey. If you see their position, Mama, if you see the condition where they're there, you're gonna say these two people problem there. Anyway, now if I won't go back, so ma go see Mama Uzonna. Make I tell her waiting the ground.
Who else? If not her.
Mama, I don't get any other person to lie on. I don't get any shoulder to lie on. Sometimes if I want to tell you some things, you go just say they go. Eh, now she always could and listen to me. As for Ego, from today I tell her, say, no, they talk to me again, so she don't be my friend.
Stop saying that. I don't want you to say that again. In fact, I don't want you to get involved again in that Ozonna's family. I don't want you to go there again. Stop. Tell me what he's done for you. No, tell me, what has he done for you? Nothing. He comes in and goes. He has never done anything for you. He has never cared for you. You're only moving in. No, stop going there. I don't want you to go there again. Please.
No, no be say I too like to they go there. But anytime I say, I beg, make I not go again. Make I not go. My spirit's going to drag me back.
Tell your spirit to leave you alone, so you will not go there.
Mama, I love Uzonna. Make I just try my best. Maybe God go just do one thing. He go come marry me. Eh? Don't worry, I know what will be your problem. Anything where you want.
Leave me.
I go buy and give you. I be international nurse.
International nurse. Keep deceiving yourself. I just want you to learn. Kamsi, learn. Learn 1 minute. Learn. Anya isa, akalanya sa. Open your eyes.
International nurse.
International nurse, we no one learn.
Emeka, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce qu'il arrive? Jerry, is someone dead? Or?
Papa, leave me alone.
Has any of you gotten herself pregnant again? Why is it that all of you are moody? It's like it wants to rain. What is happening here?
Papa, shame on you. Eh?
So, Papa, this is what you do.
Hey! Moi! So this is what you do.
Wait, Jerry. Did you just say shame on your father? Did you just say shame on your father, Emeka?
Papa, shame on you.
You too?
Papa, shame on you. Papa, so you have money to take care of another family. And you're not taking care of your own family, Papa.
Jerry, look, I don't want to be angry. I don't want to be angry. Écoutez, listen very well. I don't want to be angry. The insult that Mama Uzonna gave to me is enough. Oh. It's enough.
Papa, you should be ashamed of yourself. Eh? Why they insult you? Tell me, why would they insult you? But look at you. It's because of you that they are all avoiding us. Because of the nonsense you have been doing. When a widow will not let you to live, every time you're always looking for her, every time you're looking for a widow, you should, in fact, we are all ashamed of you. Look at you. Is this bad behavior of yours that made you abandon our mother in the hospital to die? Papa, this is not nice. This is very wicked of you. Oh!
But let me tell you. You see, in this house, I am going to disfather you. In fact, all of us will disfather you. Now we have known the meaning of this Otulave, Otulewani, Nuvero, Nukumani, Parlez-vous, Narawani. Are widow, Ekema the widow, Parlez-vous, Nikie, Papa Semo you. Your daughter here, someone got her pregnant. Papa, you did not do anything about it. I will deal with this one. Papa, tell you, no, you did not do anything. Look at your daughter here. She's about to lose her admission. Papa, nothing. All you care about to Louvero, all the Louvero and the Parlez-vous, all the Paragnon is on Ekema, the widow. That's the people you are taking care of. Oh, go and buy something I want you to buy. Okay. Papa, in this house, we will give you one. In fact, you will not eat in this house. We shall see.
Wait, Chere. You and who shall see? Or who shall see with me?
You and us. All of us, we shall see.
You are not. Go inside, don't push, go inside. Papa, you will not get to sleep on this seat. Stand there. You are not a visitor in this house. You are a fool.
Complete fool. I think you've lost it.
Should I give you cola?
Get off from my seat.
Papa, should I give you cola? Should I give you cola in your own house? All the Parlez-vous, Villaret, Otulave. Papa, Otulave in this.
Papa, you lost it. What? You want me to
Papa, Otulave.
You want me to break your head?
Papa, Parlez-vous, Otulave.
Honestly, Cheta, I'm so disappointed at myself for bringing such a mad person to my mother. Cheta, you need to see what this girl called my own mother a witch in my presence.
Are you serious? She did all that?
Oh, but she did more than that now. She fought me for trying to intervene. Cheta, you know I've never said no to you, right? But you see in this one, it's a total no for me.
Oh, wait. What could possibly make her behave in such manner? I mean, what came over her?
Nothing came over her. She's obviously tired of keeping that secret away from me. I mean, she's tired of pretending. That is who she is. Cheta, I mean, this girl apologized to me. She said, I'm sorry, please take me to your mother, let me tell her sorry, all of that. And I brought her and she repeated the same thing again. She was calling me a witch, my mother is a witch, my family is a total as in nonsense. That guy is a mad person. Now, where will I start from now? Where will I start from?
Wait, Uzana, you just have to give her some minutes to say what she has to say. I mean, hear her out and know what actually happened.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind.
No, like you didn't hear what I just said?
I heard what
Someone that called my mother a witch? This is not the first time, this is not the second time. I should give her another chance. Obviously to come and repeat herself again.
There's always a second
chance. I am done. D-O-N-E, done.
Okay, no problem. I've heard you.
Alright. So go back and tell her what I said. I'm done.
I've heard you.
Monomo.
What is it? What do you want?
Why are you this antagonistic? Is that the way you're going to welcome me? Eh? I came with good news. You've not even heard it and you are antagonizing me. Why?
Antagoni. Eh? My sister is about to lose her admission and you're here telling me about good news. What nonsense good news?
Patience. Patience is a virtue. Just listen to my good news. Wait. This is the good news. 100,000 naira. You see what I mean?
More.
You see what I mean?
Hey! Iche!
I told you.
100,000
naira.
Hey, Icheo!
See, I told you. I said once they pay me at the local government, I will settle that bill. Hey. You see what I mean?
Thank you.
Eh?
I can't do anything for you.
Hey,
my boy, why you say that's so sweet?
Let's go inside and celebrate, yeah?
Yes, let's go. Iche, you know what will happen? You will just go and come back because my younger sister will soon be here.
That is very thoughtful of you.
Yes.
Because we didn't want her to come and meet us.
Yes.
So I'll come back.
You'll come back.
More. My pori.
I will give it to you. You understand?
I'm coming back.
My more.
Later, eh?
Mona. Bye.
Mona.
It's the woman. Darling. God bless you.
No wala.
This one is all right. Oh, just go and put it and you come and rest.
Hey, make I drop and they come,
For fetching water for your poor mother.
No problem.
You did well.
I they come.
Cancel. Why, Erika. Can ebu aja.
Mama, no, you don't need to worry. At least I dey happy now. Say you get water wey go dey enough for you for 2 more days. Anything wey you need, tell me.
A long one. You have done enough already. That one will do. Just go inside and rest. I've told your brother to help me get somebody that will help me run chores around the house.
When I dey here, Mama, you don't need to worry yourself when I dey here. Anything wey you need, just tell me, I go do am. Even that your leg where you say they pain you, I don't arrange drugs. You don't know me. I tell you, say from this nurse where I be so, I go graduate be doctor. Hi, Mama. Mama, tape for me. Tape. Just say tape. Too much. Mama, see the drugs. If you drink am, you don't do okay. Nothing go do you again. You go do alright. I dey tell you.
Cancel.
Mama.
What name will I call you? Nurse or doctor?
No, nurse versus doctor. Council, professional, international, worldwide. I too much.
God bless you, my daughter. God bless you. So how much will I refund you?
No, Mama. You be my person now. I go collect money from you. Just drink the medicine. Be fine. For my husband.
Your husband? Oh, you mean your brother was on that?
No, my husband. My husband. Now my husband. My husband.
This boy is hard-hearted.
Mama, I have told you. Let me go and see him.
You want to marry him? I'm going to go ahead and go and see him. Mana, let me warn you. Don't come crying back home. You don't know if you're a messenger. All the other girls in the village are getting married, while my own daughters are hopping out of marriage.
Mama, please. Let her go. Let her go and see him. Jane, go and talk to him. Okay? You mustn't come back the way I did. Our destinies are different. Just go.
Mama, I will see you when I come back.
Anyway, I think we should go and see your own husband. Since he has refused to pick up my calls, we need to go and see him.
My own husband? You want me to marry the man that cheated on me?
Well, we need to find out what the problem is. Alright, is it not better than you staying at home? I think we should go.
Rose, I don't really have much on me. Oh, my sister. Take it. This is 100,000 naira. I want to manage it and process your admission. Please just manage it.
But sister, where did you get all this money? And
I saved it. I thought someone from our family should go to school. And you are the only one. Eh? My sister, look at me, a poor helpless widow. I need to take care of you so that you will grow to take care of me and my children. Oh?
Sister, you have done me a very huge favor. Yeah. Thank you, sister. I promise I'm going to pay you back.
Hey! Osekwa pay me back. How? Eh? You don't have to pay back. Eh? Your responsibility is my own and my own is your own. By the time you go to this Cambridge, then you graduate and come out, go to youth corps. Then you will go to Obodo Yibo, get a good job, and you start taking care of my children for me. I would even want you to take them to America.
No, sister, it's America.
Oh, America. American. She's happy. See, hide this money. Put it on this our villagers. Put it here. Hold it up. I suffered to save this money. Go and keep it inside.
You're one in a million.
Thank you. Give one in a million, one them. She's happy. Thank you.
Kedifenji sikote. Kedifenji sikote. Only God knows what Amaka and her son did to my daughter, Chikamso. She does nothing in my house, but she's always there, doing everything for Amaka and the son. Look at no water to cook food. I don't have water here. While I heard she's fetching water for Amaka. Hey, Mban, something is wrong somewhere. I need to do something. I have to confront Amaka. I just have to confront Amaka. Let Amaka leave my daughter alone. What have I done? My daughter cannot do anything for me. Every time she's there. Mba. Mba. What is this?
Emeka, because Emeka, please. Don't do this to me, please, Emeka. Emeka, remember that because of the love I have for you, I broke my brother's head, Emeka. I broke my only brother's head. Emeka, please. Don't do this to me, please.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know, Amara, you are getting me wrong. I don't know what you're talking about. Listen, I told you that time. Don't be pregnant, oh. Don't be pregnant. I was announcing it. I was hammering on it. Don't be pregnant, oh. Don't be pregnant, oh.
Emeka, but I begged you to use protection. Did I tell you to use protection, Emeka? Emeka, this was the one you promised me when you were eating my pekus inside our bush. Like an hungry lion. This was what you promised me, Emeka.
You're talking nonsense. See, let me tell you. I am not ready for marriage now. My containers are still at home. Nobody has bought anyone. My sisters, nobody has married them. So I want them to marry so that I will see millions to marry my own. So I'm not ready for marriage now.
Emeka, is this what you're saying?
So look for what to do to it.
Emeka, is this what you're saying to me?
I have said it.
After telling me you love me so much. Emeka, I don't have to beg you to marry me. And as for this pregnancy, I will not do anything to it. And let me warn you, whether you like it or not, Emeka, you will marry me by fire and by force.
So, what are you going to threaten him? What are you going to threaten him? It has not gotten to the extent of threatening me by fire, by force, that I must marry you. By force marriage. Okay. Where were you when your brother was supporting Mike over what he did to my sister? Has Mike married my sister? No. And you want me to marry you and you think it's going to be possible? Never! Please, don't disturb me again. Don't disturb me again.
Emeka! Emeka, you're leaving me after I broke my brother's head because of you, Emeka. God will punish you. God will punish you, Emeka. You shall see.
I am on my way to Amaka's house. Kamso, what did they give you? Kamso, why are you like this? Eh?
Wetin happen?
Ekote mo oku na mo motale.
Wetin happen again? Wetin I do?
Okay, you don't know.
Mama, wetin I do now?
You don't know. Let me tell you, Chikamso. We don't have water in our house. Yet, you have the mind to go and fetch water for Amaka. Eh? Chikamso, you are on night duty and I don't have water. As you're coming back now, you start preparing for your night shift. Chikamso, what is it?
I go fetch am now. You no matter who I first fetch for. Now, she be na house that they go so. I go fetch am.
You go fetch am. Chikamso, wait. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Hey, look at them. They are looking at you anyhow. They are looking at you because you don't have ears. Uzonna does not see you as a woman. He sees you as a sister. Eh? Yet, you don't want to respect yourself. What is it?
Mama, I know wetin I did.
No. You don't know what you're doing. Because why I'm saying this is this. If you're doing anything for them, just that you want to do, fine, I don't have a problem. But I don't want you coming home to come and cry whenever you see a woman there. If you do it, Kamso.
Mama, no dey talk like this. I know wetin I dey do. When everything go set now you go enjoy pass.
Now me go enjoy.
Leave the matter, make we dey go.
Don't worry, let me go to her.
Mama, no.
No, I need to go to her.
Mama, no, let's go.
I need to warn her.
Mama, please now. Make we dey go house. Why you dey talk like this? I mean, why you dey behave like this? Shebi na water you want. I go fetch. In fact, if you want, you go swim inside the water. Where we dey go?
Be careful, this girl. Be careful. This Amaka, watch alone.
Are you hungry?
Maybe.
Okay.
I'm not hungry.
Because we will beat her. Are you ready?
Yes, now.
Make sure you put sand in her mouth. Are you hearing me?
I am solidly behind you. You don't trust me again.
That's why you're my sister.
I'm fine. Ini, I thank God I met you. Yes, I was coming to your house.
Hey, any good news?
Hold on. Yeah. My sister surprised me with this money. 100,000.
100,000?
Yes.
Hey, let me see. Hey, hey. 100,000?
Yes. She saved it for me. I never believed. Yes. I can't wait to go back to school.
So you mean your sister has been saving this money for you?
Yes. She saved it for me. I never believed.
Rose, I'm so disappointed in your sister. See your sister? She's a big, fat, smelling liar.
Exactly.
Eh? So your sister has been the problem my family has been passing through. Eh? You people are wicked.
Ijoma, I don't understand. What do you mean?
How do you mean? How do you mean? No, shut up. Keep quiet. See what you do for me, eh? Go back to that your house and ask your sister how she managed to save up this money. Go and ask her. What?
Ogonna.
Any?
Do you know there are some people you don't quarrel with? Because in everything they say, there's an atom of truth. I told you I quarreled with, what's her name? Kamso.
Yes.
If I knew, I wouldn't have quarreled with her. Because everything she was saying was the truth. You people are very, very wicked. Let's go. See, this money is my school fees.
Ujoma, are you crazy?
Eh?
Bring back my money.
Me crazy?
Give me my money, Ujoma.
If you touch me again, see, if you touch me again, I will slap you.
Hand over, let me leave her.
I will slap you. I will slap you if you touch me again. Gonna move. Pass.
Let's go.
See,
my sister,
move your hand. Move your hand. Give me my money. Come on, move your hand. Leave her alone. Ugonna say leave her. Pass.
Let me help you beat her up.
Don't worry, go. If your name is R-O-S-E, touch me. I said touch me if your name is R-O-S-E.
Ujoma, give me back my money.
Touch me now.
Ujoma,
I said touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Yes. Touch me. Come on, beat her. Beat her like this money that you give. Leave her alone. Let's go.
Yes, Ego.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Okay.
You didn't go to the hospital. Why did you come here?
I did. I went there. You went around, so I had to check you in the house.
Yes, I'm on night duty now.
Okay. Alright, no problem. I don't know. Can we go out? I want to introduce my brother, Bobby. This is my brother. This is my brother, Bobby.
Good afternoon, sir.
I've heard a lot about you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
If you're not busy, I'm of the opinion that we'll go out and talk better. I don't know if you're free.
Nice.
You want me to follow you people out?
Yes, just to have nice outings so we can talk better. Is it okay with you?
Oh, okay. Let me lock my door.
Sister, I want to know the truth.
What truth?
Sister, is it true that you're dating that old fool, that Ichie?
Was that why you gave them the money?
So sister, it's true.
You are a fool. I give you 1 hour to go back to that place and collect that money back. What's wrong with you?
Sister, I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself. How can I go to them and tell them to give me back that money?
You are very stupid. You are so foolish. See, if you didn't bring that money back, I will curse you. I will curse you. I will forbid you from being my sister. Do you know the pains, the condition, the hard labor I passed through before she gave me that money? When I gave you that money, you were so happy and you were rejoicing. And here you are insulting me. I give you 1 hour to go and get that money. Else I will disown you as my sister.
Child. Sister, why? Why, sister? What condition will cause you to date that man? That old fool, so Ichie has such huge amount of money. And then Joe must be looking for money.
Will you shut up your mouth? Get out of this place! Get out of my sight! Get out! Animal, foul! Shenanigan, bingo, idiot! I've been here suffering, trying to take care of you. You don't even know what I'm passing through. The hard labor, everything that I did just to put food on your table. I keep taking care of you and here you are insulting me. Your father is an old fool.
Papa, welcome. Welcome, Papa.
Merci beaucoup. I hope there's food in the house.
There is no food. It's good as you're sitting down, man. Don't move. Because we want to talk to you. Yes. We have something to discuss with you. Very important.
Exactly.
My children. Qu'est-ce qu'on y a encore? What is it again? Look, I'm not happy.
Papa, forget this French. It's this French that have been causing problems in this family.
I'm telling you.
This one on call, this one who the floor. This one on
Father, don't worry. Calm down. Papa, you're not happy.
Yes.
What's happened, Keyo? Why are you not happy?
It's these local government people, oh. They refuse to pay me again today. They want to kill me, oh.
They want to kill you.
Papa, are you sure?
Mechonu. What do you know?
Papa, I only asked a question.
That's a question. That question, you have mouth to ask question. When you are carrying something there that it's a small rat like you carrying pregnancy, you still have mouth to talk.
Huh? But she asked you a question. Are you sure? Is it a bad thing to ask somebody? Are you sure? Well, Papa, when are they going to pay you? Let's know. Tell us.
Yes. See, my son, I don't know. These people, they just want to kill me. Oh. Look at all of us now. Okay, now there's no food in the house.
Kami, I'm hungry.
Hello? What happened? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est now? What is this? Oh, okay, chere. Just, I'm coming, I'm coming. Hey. Hey, I'm coming.
Papa, who is calling you?
Is this local government people?
Hey. So you mean you're getting married? Really?
I can't believe it. He was my classmate in school. And then one day I met him in the market. And things just progressed from there.
Just like that, so fast. And you want to marry him?
Yes. We've known for long. Well, we lost contact. Anyway, he said he cannot wait to marry me. So he'll be coming to see my family tomorrow. How far about your husband? I heard you people went to see him.
You heard. You hear. You always hear and heard. But wait, my friend. How are you sure that this man don't have another woman in his life?
I don't care. A wife is a wife. And a girlfriend is a girlfriend. They are two totally different positions. I will not stop my future husband from having a girlfriend. As long as he continues taking care of me. I'm okay.
Nkem, did I hear you right?
See, baby. No woman can satisfy a man. If he likes, if he wants to marry 10 million wives tomorrow, as long as he does not abandon me and my children, I will not complain. Have you forgotten what the Bible says? That a time will come when 7 women will be begging one man to marry them. I do not want to be one of those women. I'd rather they come to my husband and beg him. And as head of the wives, I will tell him whom to pick and whom not to. I'm getting married.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome to my house. Hey, now where is it?
Naija Batagoni now.
Yeah.
We've arrived.
How are you?
She's always shy. Shy baby.
Mama, how are you?
No, I'm fine. Oh, I was lonely, but people are here now. I am very okay. Adigo Mama. How are your parents?
They are fine, Mama. They send their greetings.
You receive go me no biocha. No. Oh.
Thank you, Mama. Your son has been telling me good things about you. Just that he didn't tell me you are this beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, now you're welcome to this house. You see this house? It is your own.
Thank you, Mama.
We are peace-loving people. We are loving people. Can you go behind the sari? You're welcome. Oh? Yes, your mag.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, please, is there anything to eat? I'm very, very, very hungry. We've been on the road for the past 3 hours now.
Let me go and get it for people to eat. Oh?
Yes, Mama.
Can be a fun. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Papa, shame on you. Papa, shame on you. Papa, so this is what you do. Brother.
Papa, let me tell you. Let me tell you. I am so disappointed. Papa, I'm highly disappointed. So, you had 100,000 naira. What will go?
Hey, big money.
And you were here trying to us that local government people did not pay you. They're the one that call your phone. Come and take this money. Come and take this money. Papa, let me tell you. From the henceforth, you're no longer my father.
No.
I'm no longer your son. I have this father.
Papa, how could you? How could you do a thing like that? So you had such amount of money with you. You went and gave it to another person. And your own daughter is here looking for money to go to school. Papa, how could you? Hey! I'm so ashamed of you.
Écoutez.
Which one is écoutez?
Listen very carefully. If you don't bring that money today, Ojodwi, In fact, maintenant, now, if you don't bring that money now, there will be no peace in this house. Trust me, there will be no peace.
Papa, aujourd'hui, maintenant, you say this money over my living body because I cannot die on this matter. Over my living body will I give you this money? You say this money? I'm going to school with this money tomorrow and nothing will happen. You're still wasting time.
Papa, we are not afraid of this Ojodi. Now I have known the meaning of Ojodi. Ajadu. Papa, Ojodi means Ajadu, which means widow.
Yes.
Widow. Papa, don't think. Your son is intelligent though. Let me tell you. Ajadu, which means widow. But don't deceive us. Let me tell you. If you do anyhow, people will the whole village will gather from.
Yes.
Papa. Look at me now. I've not seen 100,000 naira, not purple. And you're giving it to somebody. Look at that girl.
Look. I'm warning all of you. Écoutez, if you don't give me this money today, I will forget that you are my children. What I am going to do to you, any ears that hears it will tingle. I am telling you, me, Uduka. Hey.
Papa.
I will kill person, no.
Papa, see us like this now, Shoot all of us. Yes. Papa, kill us. Because you see this money, it will not get to your hand. Hey. And if you do anyhow, the villagers will gather here for you. Yes. We are ready for that take. It's too much for you, Papa.
Papa, wait though. Is it true that you killed Uncle Zube to take his wife?
Hey.
What?
Okay.
Why did you say that? What rubbish have you just regurgitated from your medulla oblongata?
See, Papa, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. We are ready for you. That you killed Mazin Dube and took his wife. Don't try us from him.
Papa, this thing will show you now. Papa, why you see any sign? This thing now will show you that all of us are ready.
I think we are scared.
We are ready to fight. Anything you want. Papa, your children will
show you.
About you, we are solidly behind you. Every time you Papa, your cup is filled up. It's filled up.
You will go and come back. Papa, I'm telling you, I will gather for you. I will know all of them. If I see Nubero, I know him. If I see Arefu, I know her. They will gather for you and beat you. Nubero, take this one and go and eat. Take this one. Take your money.
Mama, I told you. Now you have experienced the kind of man he is.
I can't believe it. I can't believe that boy could ignore me. I mean, what did I do to him?
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry, Mama. I am going to marry another man.
No, that is not going to work. You're going to go back to your husband's house. You heard what he said. He was not the one that sent you back in. So you can go back and marry him.
Mama, you want me to go back to him so that he can marry another person?
No, at all. Now him was passed for marriage. It is better you go back. After all, he's a rich man. At least he will be able to take care of you. So, let me just tell you. I don't want us to be the laughingstock in this marriage. And you know that your friend, that gossip, the minute she hears this one, and also the one happening to Jane, she'll go to information center. She deliver Anya there, or ban internet.
No, Mama. I'm not going back. I won't.
Najano. That's your new name. Okay.
Mama! Mama!
Jane!
Mama, you see what you have caused?
What?
Even Onyeka has changed his mind on me.
Chimo. Hey. Hi. What have we done? You know what? Go back to him. Tell him that I said whatever I asked of him, he should forget. Let him do whatever he wants to do.
Let me just go and think straight. I cannot even hear anything right now.
Jane, calm down, okay? Hey!
Okay, come here.
Mama, even Nunkem is getting married very soon.
Nunkem Asali?
Yes!
Is her husband rich?
Yes, Mama. According to her. Eh? Mama, seriously, as it stands now, I am going to beg my husband. I made a very big mistake.
Now you're talking. Get a key, Go and beg him. Because my daughter, a bird in hand is what two in the bush.
Thank God I met you here today. Thank God I met you here because somebody must die and that must be Emeka.
No. Emeka?
Yes! That boy must die today! I promise you.
Easy, eh? What happened to him?
Oh! Listen, that stupid boy Emeka, do you know what's happened between you and Oni has happened to my sister? Yes! Emeka impregnated my sister and told her in confidence that he will not marry her.
What?
What kind of nonsense is that?
No!
Oh, I said it!
No.
It cannot happen! It's not happening!
Emeka must pay for it!
He will not pay, he will die. Because as I've seen you now, I want to go back home and get your own machete. By the time I cut off his manhood,
Mama, I did not say you should.
help me and cut off his head. Because that boy must die today.
Ugo, see, calm down. Your blood is hot.
I can't calm down. I can't calm down. What kind of thing is this?
It's very easy. You see, I don't think I can do that now. I don't think I can do it so that... I know you can handle this.
You don't think you can go with me and fight him, or you don't think you can handle machete? I don't understand. Eh?
Ago, you should understand me. You see, going to Emeka's house with you can handle this. Yes. When they check him now, check him. That family does not want to see me again. And you want me to join you and fight over the same issue? No, now. Ugo, you should understand me. I am a human being. What if something happens to me? What will I tell the police?
Okay. You're a human being, Abi? Me, animal. When I was fighting for you, did I realize that there was police in this village? When I was busy carrying your mat on my head, did I know that I was a human being? Now it's your turn to fight for me. It's your turn to show me that brotherly love. You're telling me that you can't go, Akwaya? No problem.
No, don't take it.
God will judge you. God will judge you.
See, calm down, don't take it.
Hey!
Let's be realistic here. If it was something else, Mwabo Mike, I will follow you, but not on the issue of pregnancy again. Amenwa, you understand? You can do it. Amenwa, receive grace for settlement. I'm coming.
So you are going? No, I'm going. You are going. See the kind of a fully friend you have.
Shut up your mouth. You have no shame. You have no respect, no regard for yourself. If it's not because of you that you don't listen to me, you don't even know what it means to be respectful in this village. You would have opened your leg for that boy. Others marry billionaires and zillionaires and trillionaires. You're busy settling down with that low life. Will I call him lesbian or what? Idiot, my friend, go with me. That boy must die today. Must go there today. Must kill that guy called Emeka. You're busy opening your leg for different men.
Ego, I have told my brother everything about you, and he is still on seeing you before he turns to Canada where he is.
Look, Ego, I'll go straight to the point. My brother here has said a lot about you, and I like what I see. I'm from this village even though I spend most of my time in Canada, but I choose to marry from this village. Ego, I want you and I together. I would like to marry you.
Well,
I honestly can't give you an outright answer right now because this whole thing is so sudden. I'll have to think about it and revert back to you.
Okay, I'll give you enough time to think about it, but I would like you to get back to me soon. I have less than a month to spend in this village, and I would like the marriage to take place before I travel back. That's if you accept me. I'll make preparations for you to join me soon in Canada.
Listen, Ego, my brother here is a nice person, and I assure you will not regret this. Take my word for that.
Ugonna, why are you sitting down now? Let's go and beat Emeka.
Hey, don't worry me. I'm thinking.
What are you thinking about, Ugonna? What are you thinking about? Is your brain no longer working? Let's go so you beat up Emeka. You're here telling me you're thinking. So if Mike does not go with you, you not go and beat up Emeka. You allow him go.
Thunder fire you there. Yes, thunder destroy you there. Idiot. Had ever you listen to me, would this happen to you? You're busy opening your leg for a nitwit, non-entity. When I told you, don't misbehave, respect me, and let's follow our parents' footsteps. No, you're doing love. It's not because of this same maker you broke my head. This same maker, you made me a laughing stock in this village. He wants me now to follow you and fight him. Because of what, Kwano? If he wants to marry you, fine and good, let him marry you. If Emeka no wants to marry Kwano, shame on to you. I am not going with you again. Nonsense.
Ugonna.
What was I even thinking?
Ugonna, is that what you're saying?
If you try it, Bega Kagi.
Ugonna. Hey, Ugonna, I'm your only sister. Oh, your shame is my shame. Oh, my shame is your shame. Ugonna.
I don't know when you take come back.
I dey call you for phone since 2 hours. You know they pick up. Abi you don't see my missed calls.
You don't forget Sabinos. If you call me for phone and no pick, I'm beside Davies.
Wait. So, now me, you dey form nurse for now, abi? Nurse Kamso. Now me and you start this nurse work. Now me follow work am for you. You dey form nurse. I make you no call me back. Good time. You be nurse. I make you no pick my call. So me now, abi? You take time. If I call you for phone next and pick your calls, you know they do me that one. They do that one for me. Nurse Kamso.
And my name be that. May I get you something to eat?
I dey here dey wait you.
So you still know your way to my house? In Efuzo?
Mama Ebiakwa. Of course I know my way here now. I know my way to this place. You know, working on Ambwali now, Abalugeba. I'm really sorry, alright, that I haven't come to see you for some time now. So Mama, meet Ella. Ella is the woman I want to marry. Ella, this is Kamso's mother, the girl that just left now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you? You're welcome. Where is Kamso?
She just ran off now. She went to get me cola.
She went to get you cola?
Exactly, Mama.
Kamso is gone to get you cola.
What's going with that cola?
Okay.
Oh, Ben, come on now.
No, babe.
Mama, so how have you been now?
It's okay. You have to sit down. Come and make sure that the cola no well liabe. Can you tell you cola? Can you like let's get the cola. Come see Jay with a cola. Come matter why Jay with the cola. I'm coming.
Okay, they both went to get us cola. So let's relax for the cola. The cola day.
Mama, don't suffer for my life. I don't suffer.
What happened?
What did I do, people? Nobody where I help for my life when they pay me back with good thing. They always pay me back with evil. What did I do them? Waiting.
Calm down. Calm down. You don't cry like this because of it. Okay, tell me. Is it because of Ozonna?
No, be only Ozonna. Not be only Uzonna. Everybody who I don't hear for my life, they don't pay me back with good. Who I offend? Who I just offend?
It's okay. Ooh. Don't worry. Just calm down. God will give you your own person. Oh?
Mama, I no agree. I must marry Uzonna. Wetin be all this?